Guys, welcome to another interesting video in the code mode, and today we are going to see how we can download, install and set up a NestJS project with PostgreSQL. And as it is one of the most popular database that we are using with the NestJS, so in this video we are going to see the steps, and I'm going to do it with the MacBooks, and the steps are quite similar. And before continuing, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, as it will help us to create more useful content. We are going to search the PostgreSQL into the browser and then just scroll a bit to the website and click on the downloads. And here we can see different option, and as I'm going to set up it on MacBook, so I will click on macOS. So here are some latest version, and I will go with the 17. Just click on download the installer. Once again, from here you can choose any of you want. I will go with the 17, and it has already started. Alright, I can see a duplicated downloads, so I have to cancel one of them. Just click on this and I'm going to cancel this one. Now the installer is being downloaded, and we have to wait for the few seconds. Alright, it's complete. Now we can see it in our downloads folder. Just click on this and we can see it on the top of the list. Just click on this. Just open your installer. It is taking some time. Open it again and give the username and the password of your current system. Alright, so it seems our installation process is started, and just click on this next button, and these components will be installed like PGAdmin, stock builder and command line tool. So here we will create the password for it and retype password, and here we can select the port, and currently it's working on 5432 and I'll go with it. Just click on next. Once again next. Alright, so the process has been started, and it will take some time. Just click on this finish. Yeah, and it is asking again for the password, and now this time it's asking for stack builder. So this is the tool from where you can add the additional plugins for our database. And here is the list that we can add, and add-ons, database drivers, database servers and registration. And one of the most important one is this PostGIS. So if you want to work with the geographical locations, so you can download and install it. It will help us in querying data related to the geographical locations, help us to fetch the coordinates in a specific area. For now I don't want to add anything from this, so we will just simply cancel it. Let's open our PGAdmin. And it is taking some time. Alright, so here is the dashboard from PGAdmin. and on the left side we can see the list of server, and currently these are already existing one, but if we want to create a server group we can do it from here, and I'm going to name it the code mode. Just click on the save button, and now we have to register a server in it, and this is going to be the first server. And for the connection, this is the host name, localhost. Yeah, please remember this host name and password that we will give here, as we will use this host address and password while building connection in our NestJS app. So here is the list of database that are already in our server, and we can create a new one with the help of this. And I'm going to name it the NestDB. If I will save it, it will create a DB, but here are some additional settings from definitions, security, parameters, and SQL query. So here is the query for our database. You can create it from here and you can modify this query as well. Just click on this save button. So if you open this schema folder, here we can see the list of tables, and currently it's completely empty as we do not have created any one of them. So it's currently empty. So this was all related to the PostgreSQL downloading and installing it in our system. Now let's move to the second part, that is how we can connect this database in our NestJS app. And for that, first of all, check Nest version, as currently we can see Nest is not installed. So before continuing we will check the node version, if node is installed or not, and I can see node 20 is installed, and let me check the npm version as well, and it's 10.8. So now we can install NestJS with this command npm install g for global and nest CLI. Just clear the terminal. Let's create a project, but for this I will create a project from scratch, as it may be like more helpful for you. SQL with NestJS, and I'm going to use npm as a package manager. So and this and it will install the required dependencies. Alright, so it seems our NestJS project has been created. Now let's open the project. And now we are going to install the dependency that is required to connect this DB, and I'm going to do it with the help of TypeORM. Now let's install TypeORM. npm install NestJS TypeORM PG. You can find this command in the description. Now add the configuration in our app module, and I am going to add this TypeORM module in the import section. TypeORM module for root. And here in this object we will provide the database configurations like type, and I'm going and type that is Postgres, host that is the local host for us, and port. Username, and it is Postgres. and password, that is like you can and the password that you can give your password like that we had entered while creating a new server. Now when I run this project, it is giving error and it's not connecting RDB. Alright, I can see the port number is not correct. Just fix it and clear the terminal and run the project again. Alright, so our database is successfully connected with our NestJS app. That's all for this video. So if you like this video and it really helped you, so please like, share and subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.